So what is the background?
I came here to visit a friend, and the friend gave me a number of a lady, okay, old lady. I called her, she came to my hotel with her husband. Okay.
She told?
I told her that I am interested to marry Indian girl. Okay.
Then what happened?
Then what happened? She took me to her house by the hotel taxi.
Okay.
And the hotel taxi was waiting in front of the door.
Okay.
She bring 4 ladies,
4 girls.
4 girls, and they showed me those 4 girls, and after finishing, she said, "This is my sister's daughter."
Okay.
Okay?
How much money she owed from you?
100,000.
1 lakh rupees. She owed 1 lakh rupees for that girl. Is it a contract marriage or a?
No, it is not a contract marriage because we are Muslim. You don't have such things.
Okay. You are willing to marry a Indian girl.
Yes. For the whole life.
Your family here?
It is not.
You are already married?
What did you say?
Are you already married?
In the past.
Yes or no?
In the past.
Okay. Thank you. What's name?
The girl name is Rashid. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Yes, you came to the point. When we went there to her house.
Your taxi was standing outside.
Yes. No. The other house.
Okay. The sister's house. The girl's house.
The girl's house. When we went there, the girl's mother and father were there, and the auntie with her husband, everybody were there. And they bring the khasi.
Okay. The person who will get you married.
Yes. And when he get there, he asked the lady, "Are you willing to marry this man?" She said, "Yes, I will."
Okay.
Then he asked the father, "Bring me the certificate." The father said, "I don't have certificate now. We don't